Hello, this is Sonja from My Happy Space. Welcome back at my channel. Today is the final day of the gratitude documenting. I'm doing a quick flip through video. Um, and just to show you all the memory index cards, I can't believe it's all 30 of them. It fit nicely in this box. It's not too, there's a little bit more space. I can actually make them a little bit more apart from each other, and they all fit nicely in there. And I've gone through them again, and I just love each one of them. Each one is almost like a child I gave birth to. It sounds very dramatic, but yeah, each one is unique and each one I love. So yes, we're gonna have a little bit of a flip through. Thank you very much for going on this journey with me. It was really enjoyable. It was sometimes tough to do it every day, but I've done it, and I really enjoyed looking at these prompts, looking at the verses, and just be thankful for some obvious things, some less obvious things. So it was just a wonderful experience. So yeah, thank you for all your support, all the likes, all the comments. I really, really appreciate it. And yeah, let's go. I've put a little music together, and we're just going to quickly flip through it. I'm not going to talk because obviously each one of these memory index card is being talked about in length. So yeah, if you haven't seen any of them, just go back to my playlist and watch them. If any one of them interest you and you want to know how I did it or what's the story behind it, then go back to my playlist and watch it. Otherwise, we're just going to sit back and it's just a quick little video of with music where I flip through the memory index cards, and you can just sort of be remembered of all the prompts there was. Hope you enjoy it.